Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps to build your very own business from home and get paid daily. Basically what I'm going to be showing you is how to use Google Maps to locate local businesses and help them with their digital media, whether that be building a website or helping them with their Facebook ads. So first thing you want to do is download the Facebook Pixel Helper, which if you search on Google is the first result here. So it's for Google Chrome, so you want to make sure you're using Chrome to do this. I've already got it, so I won't go into it, but it's that one there. You download it and it will show up here, this little logo up here once it's installed. So once you've got that installed, then you can go to Maps. Bring that up. So I'm based in Auckland, New Zealand, and so this will show the map for Auckland. So it brings up the map of your city or your local area, and then what you want to do is you want to pick a niche, um, a niche for businesses that you're going to target. So what I will do is I am going to pick home cleaning. I'm going to search that. And what this does is brings up all the businesses in that niche in your area. So then what you want to do is go down this list on the side here and open up some of their websites. So just click into one of them and it should bring up their website. Okay, this one doesn't have one. Let's try a different one. Select Cleaning Auckland. Try that. There's a website there, so you can click on that, bring that up, go back. You want to find about 4 to 5 to start with, but there's really no limit on how many businesses you can pick. So we'll try Cute Clean Home Cleaning Services. They don't have a website either. So those businesses that don't have a website, you can totally reach out to those ones and build them a website. And if you don't know how to build one, I'll show you how you can get one built without actually having any knowledge of how to build a website yourself. But we'll get to that later. Let's just tackle some of these businesses that do have websites. So, for now, we'll just start with 3 because my computer's not going that fast at the moment. Grand Clean is another one. Okay, so once those websites have loaded completely, you want to look at the Facebook Pixel Helper icon, and what that will do is it will light up if there's a pixel on their website. So this one's loaded, and it doesn't see, and you can click on it as well, and it will tell you. So no pixels found on www.grandclean.co.nz. This one here, Total Plan Cleaning, they also have no pixel. No pixel. What about this one here? Okay, so this one does. Select Cleaning. So see, it comes up, it lights up blue and comes up with this green icon down here, and if you click on it, it says 1 pixel found. So if they've got a Facebook pixel, it means they're already running Facebook ads. So you know they've got a website and they're running Facebook ads, so there's no point in reaching out to these businesses. So these two here are really great, and you can reach out to them and offer them Facebook advertising. So when it comes to running ads for local businesses like this, you can do it yourself, which is a really cost-effective way to do it. And there's lots of resources online on how to learn them. The best one is if you go Facebook Blueprint, and this is a resource created by Facebook themselves. So if you go onto that site, there, free online training for advertising on Facebook. So this is a great resource. You can actually get certified in running Facebook ads. So, you know, this will take a bit of time, but it will allow you to do these ads yourself. So here, if you go to Facebook Blueprint e-learning, start a course, click on that, and then scroll down. And here are all the categories they have. So, you know, any of these you can do a full course. Any of these you can do a full course and learn how to do them. You know, even as simple as get started with Facebook. So if you're not too familiar with the platform or the business platform, that'll you know, teach you about that. Get started with advertising, so that will teach you how to actually like, you know, the basics of running an ad or creating an ad. You can learn about Instagram, managing the ads, measure ad performance, all sorts of courses here. So this is a great resource. But if you don't want to spend the time creating these ads for your new clients, another option is to outsource it. And you know, this will require a bit of money to you know, to invest in, but not much. And what you do is whatever you're paying for the advertising, you can charge that and then some. So you can put a margin on it. So you want to go to Fiverr.com, and this is a marketplace like it says here for freelancers. So you can hire people anywhere in the world to run these Facebook ads. So what you want to do here, once the website's loaded, you want to type in Facebook ads, hit search, and that should generate some results here. Sorry, I don't know why my computer is going so slow at the moment. Should come up. There we go. So here you can see there's a whole range of services available at various prices. So, you know, you want to look at maybe some of the cheaper ones. That's just a Facebook image. Let's try this one. This one they manage. Try that one. There's another one. Maybe this one. You know, you can look through so many. There's a whole lot of people, you know, helping other people with Facebook ads. So you can check these out, and if you want, you can also, you know, look at building a website. So website design. You can search that as well. Once those come up, it's the same thing. You can find a variety of services at different prices, whatever works for you. Um, yeah, so there's all sorts of services here to build a website, so you can use these guys as well. But if we just go back to the Facebook advertising, so what you want to do is you want to look at each of these profiles and see what they can do for you and at what price. So this guy here, I will run Facebook ad campaign to grow your page likes. So this is just to grow likes, and as you can see, he breaks it down into different prices, and you know, he's got some feedback here. So if that's something you want to offer to your clients to just you know, increase Facebook likes, I might not suggest starting with something like this. You want a bit of a stronger offer, but you know, you could charge $200 and then pay this guy $100, so your profit would be $100. So that's quite an easy kind of business model there. This one looks pretty good. I will create and manage your Facebook ad campaign. So they'll create the ads and they'll manage them, which is quite good. Basic package starts at $30. I will create 4 split test ad campaigns for your business to know what works best for your brand. And once again, you know, different packages come at different prices. So if you're going to charge, you know, go for this package, you could charge $60 and $30 would be profit. This one you could charge $160 and $80 would be your profit. If you want to go for the premium package, you could get these customers to pay you $300, and then you pay these guys $150, or this guy $150. So, you know, within my services, you get well-targeted and optimized ad campaign development of an effective marketing strategy, a superb delivery with increased reach, leads, and brand awareness and transparency. So, you know, this one actually looks quite good, and you want to look at the feedback and make sure they're doing a good job and that their customers are happy. So that could be a one worth considering. And even this one, I will set up high converting Facebook ads with an amazing ad image. So, you know, $50 here. Yeah, so you just want to go through all those options and find someone that can basically run the ads for you if you don't have the time or you don't want to spend the time learning how to advertise through Facebook yourself. And it's the same with the websites. If you have a bit of experience in designing or building websites, that's great. So you can reach out to those local businesses that don't have websites and build a website for them. Or yeah, or you can outsource it using Fiverr. So there's heaps of people on here who can build websites for you. Same thing, you know, if you you know, go for someone like this, $100, you could charge $200 for building a website. It's a really great business model. It's a great way to get started earning money online. It's one of the first businesses I started, and yeah, local businesses need to be online. If you're not online these days, you're gonna struggle for customers, and you know, customers are the bloodline for a business. So yeah, I hope that this video was useful to you. Give it a like if it was. Please subscribe. I do videos Monday to Friday, and I will see you